Example 9. A linear function h models a relationship in which the dependent variable decreases 2 units. For every 5 units, the independent variable increases. Graph h when h of 0 equals 4. Identify the slope, y-intercept, and x-intercept of the graph. Write the equation of the function. Okay, so the first thing that jumps out to me is that when h of 0 equals 4. If we're given something like this, they're telling us that a point on the graph is 0, 4. Your input value is 0, your output value is 4. So the first thing I can do is I can put 0, 4 on my graph, which actually happens to be my y-intercept. So if I'm keeping track, I know that b is 4. Now, the other thing they tell us is that my dependent variable decreases 2 units for every 5 units that the independent variable increases. Now, that's telling me something about my slope. So slope, if we remember, is the change in y over the change in x. And remember, your x is your independent variable and your y is your dependent variable. You can also think of your x-axis as independent. This is more science-based. And then your y-axis is your dependent. So your y, whatever happens here, depends on whatever is happening on your x. So if my numerator is my dependent variable and my denominator is my independent variable, it says that my dependent variable decreases 2 units. While my dependent variable is in my numerator and it's decreasing 2 units for every 5 units that the independent variable increases. So independent on the bottom, dependent in the numerator. This is decreasing, so I made it negative. This is increasing, so I left it positive, which is telling me my slope is negative 2/5. Which means from my y-intercept, I would drop 2, run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or I could rise 2 and then run backwards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then my graph would look something like this. Now, identify the slope. Got it. Identify the y-intercept. Got it. Identify the x-intercept. Don't got it, but could probably find it. So we stopped here at this point. What if I did my slope again? Negative 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it. So my x-intercept, 10, 0. Got it. And then write the equation of the function. So our function is h. So we've got h of x equals mx plus b. So m is negative 2/5. X plus b, our y-intercept is 4. And that's the equation of our function.